They call me abuelo, around in win no mesteren nomenes. I fought over 60 duels, and never once did it testify. My first kill, it was just setting. It didn't come from a novel line. It didn't play by the rules. It show up late, sometimes without an sword he carved from an oar. And Lee always fought with two blades when they insisted on one. They so slappy, disrespectful brawler. But they missed the point. Fighting isn't about perfect form. It's about perfect timing. It is about seeing a man's next move before he even sinks it. He defeated Mestes because he understood the space between sudden action, that flicker of hesitation. When, so worsened, he didn't seek fame. He picked up a brush and wrote a book of 5 rings. It is not just about sword fighting. It is about winning. Period. Stay calm, adapt, and always be one step ahead. True victory is key. It's decided long before the first blow is ever struck.